It's a busy day. I've got to head to Mclaren to get my car inspected before the track day. So before the track day, I need to go over the car and make sure that, you know, brakes are working fine, tires are fine. I don't know, check some electronics, etc. So I need to drive up to Newport Beach, about an hour's drive, to go get that checked. And then I'm also going barbers. So I'm actually want to go barbers first and then head to Newport Beach. But yeah, it's going to be a long day, man. It's like an hour's drive there, hour's drive back, and I really don't know how long they're going to take to go through the car. But it's better safe than sorry, you know, because we're going to be on the track, going to be doing some high speeds. So yeah, they need to make sure the car's good to go. So that's the plan for today, barbers and McLaren. That's the plan. There she is. Gotta get you checked out. Make sure you're safe to drive at. What speeds are we gonna do though? On the track, what speeds are we gonna do? That is the question. You guys wanna know where I get my hair cut? This is where I get it cut. Hugo, what's good, man? Cool, man. It's the shot. Hugo's got a customer at the moment, but I'll be with him in a sec. Hugo just hooked me up. Go to the coffee shop while they check out my car, which is going to be a little bit of fun. To be honest, I think the coffee shop's across the road, so we might have to go somewhere different, just cause. Right, Shan?
Say that again?
I'm saying the coffee shop is across the road, so I'm not just going to drive across the road.
Oh,
we
no,
could actually walk.
For a little drive.
So we'll go for a little drive somewhere.
Why not? Beautiful day, beautiful place.
Yeah. The 720S is just a beautiful car, man. Like, I think I really want one. They got some dope colours here as well. So look, check it. We got this blue one over here, which is dope. And they got this grey one. Which colour would you guys have? The blue or the grey? Blue, grey. So I think this is the car that they're giving me to go, you know, to the coffee shop with. It's bright yellow, man. For me personally, driving a loud car, like yellow or luminous green, just isn't my thing. Some people like it, some people don't. I like that. This is one of the reasons I never got a Hurricane. Look at this. What kind of trunk is that? That's it. Look. A bottle of water, now it's half full. Watch. I'm gonna drop my bag in. That's it. Done. In my car, I can get like a full grocery shopping, week shopping in my car, and this can get a backpack. That's mad. Shan, do you want to put your bag in the car?
Will it fit?
Just about.
That's a good fit.
So, I know a lot of people like to exaggerate about things, but I'm being 100% sincere when I say that this coffee place makes the best coffee, like the best coffee you'll ever have tasted. See that sign? Obviously, you can't get a taste by just looking, but the presentation is exceptional. But I'm telling you, this coffee tastes amazing compared to any I've had. It's one of the best. Portola coffee. Remember I told you, go check it out. So me and Shan just had a coffee at one of the best coffee places ever. I love the coffee there. Portola coffee, so if you guys ever get a chance, go check it out. But yeah, they gave me the yellow Lambo. The Hurricane, I love it, man. Like the sounds, man, the engine just, you can't beat the sound that the V10 makes. But it's just not practical for me, man, at all. Like, there was no way I could choose this over the over the McLaren. No way. Because I just wouldn't be able to use it every day like I use the McLaren every day. It just wouldn't happen. The trunk, I don't know if you guys saw it. I literally got my backpack in it and got Chanel's bag in it, and that's it. You know, there's literally no space in it whatsoever, so there's no way I could drive this every day. Whereas my car, I couldn't, like, you know, you guys have seen, I do a full shopping in it. I go to the gym every day in it. I can fit, like, I can even put, I actually tested, I can fit a suitcase, one suitcase in the front. No chance I'm fitting a suitcase in there. I can barely fit a sports hodl in the front of this. But yeah, man, you can't dispute how dope the Hurricane is, man. It's just a beast. It sounds so. I love the crackle. Look at that. Look how loud it is. Oh, it's such a beast. Love it. That crackle. Oh, such a sweet sound, man. Oh, I miss that. So I just spoke to the guys, and after driving the Hurricane, the sound has just got me on a different zone, man. Like, I miss that sound. The sound is absolutely fantastic, and I need it. So when I spoke to the guys about it, they said that there's a new exhaust coming out for the 570 GT, and it's like a titanium exhaust that is gonna basically give you all the sound frills that I'm after, basically. So I'm 100% interested in it. I'm gonna do my research tonight on it, and they said it's coming out in about a month. I am 100% getting it. There's no doubt. Like, I just wanna, you know, I miss that sound, because that sound is amazing. You guys probably heard it when I was going through like the tunnel and stuff, and I miss that, man. That's what I love about, you know, supercars. It's the sound as well. So when people say, oh, get a Tesla, you know, it's faster, etc., it's not about just speed, it's about the sound, you know, because at the end of the day, how many of us are doing 200 miles an hour down the road? None of us, really, you know. And the 0 to 60 time is important, because, you know, you get that thrill with the acceleration, but it's the sound that it makes, and I miss that. So I can't wait to get the friggin' exhaust. There they are, lined up together. Yeah, design wise, you cannot beat the McLaren. The McLaren looks 10 times better in my opinion, but that exhaust, I need it.